how to turn on or off the door handle button on Mitsubishi Outlander. So first things first, you need to know how to navigate in instrument cluster, because you need to find those settings in your instrument cluster. So here you need to use this part of the steering wheel. As you can see here, you can navigate by using the left and right arrows, confirm options by pressing OK button, and scroll by using the OK button as a scroller. So now if you know the basics, let's go to your instrument cluster. So now let me make it bigger for you, and voila. Now let's use the buttons to find here settings. Press OK to confirm it. Then in settings you need to scroll down until you see the vehicle settings. So here I have vehicle settings. Let's press it. Here let's scroll down, and here let's tap locking. In locking you've got the exterior door switch, as you can see right here. So this switch turns the little button on your outside door handle on or off. When it is on, you can leave your key in your pocket and just press the button to lock or unlock the door. I think it's quite nice, so I usually keep this enabled, but if you don't like to use it, you can disable it and just manually lock your doors. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.